Hello students, in the previous lecture we have discussed about structures with pointers, and we have seen how to declare a structure and how to declare a pointer and a variable, and we have seen these notations that whenever we are using pointers we are using dereferencing symbol arrow to access the elements of a structure, and if we are using structure variable then we have to use dot operation to access the elements of a structure. Today we are going to discuss about pointers as function arguments. So lecture level learning outcome. After completion of this lecture, you will be able to write a program using pointers. So this is a sample program using call by reference where we are using pointers in the functions. So this is we are using a swap function. So within the swap function, we have passed two integers and integer pointers. So instead of passing normal variables, we are passing the integer pointers, and in the function call, we are passing the address of our variables. So the difference between call by value and call by reference is here whatever updations you make in the function call to these variables n1 and n2, that will be updated in the actual arguments because they share the memory. Memory is shared between the actual parameters and the formal parameters. The variables which are declared in the function call are called as actual parameters, and variables which are declared in function definition are the formal parameters. So your swap function is done, and whenever we are printing the same variables num1 and num2 through main, again the values are retrieved using the call by reference. So the updated values or the swapped values will be shown as output, since whatever updations you have made in function definition, that is reflected in the variables which are declared in the main. So this is a call by reference. Whereas if we talk about call by value, in this program, for num1 and num2 we get the original values whatever we have given. Num1 will be 5, num2 will be 10. This is for call by value, and the formal parameter updations will be shared by the actual parameters. This is call by reference. So let us see a small query, students. Now which of this is called as an indirection operation? So just pause your video and try to find this answer. Let us see the answer, students. So answer is star operation. So star operation is called as an indirect operation or indirection operation because it is we are getting the values of a variable through address locations. We are not accessing the values directly. So star will go to particular location. From that location it will access the values. So this is an indirection operation. So if your answer is correct, go to the next slide. Otherwise, go through the video once again. This is the lecture outcome revisited. After completion of this discussion, you will be able to write programs using pointers with functions. And this is a sample lecture level problem. Write a C program to display students' data using functions and pointers. And these are the tutorial questions which are to be solved for our week 12. Thank you.